Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to my channel. My name is Alvaro. I managed to make 37,000 bucks investing my money in the stock market in a matter of 10 months. I am just a regular guy. I am not a genius. It doesn't take a genius or an Einstein to do it. So the purpose of this channel is telling you guys about my experience and talking a lot about how to invest money in the United States stock market, and also talking about how to day trade, swing trade, how to trade options, and much more. I have also noticed that there are a lot of people out there that are interested in investing their money in the stock market that do not speak English. Therefore, I am going to be posting my content spoken in both languages, English and Spanish. So if English is not your cup of tea, you can watch this very same video spoken in Spanish with pretty much the same content, and vice versa. What you guys are taking a look over here is one of my 3 investment portfolios, okay? I owned 2 investment portfolios in Robinhood, and I have a 3rd investment portfolio on Thinkorswim, okay, which is a very professional platform that I mostly use, to do my technical analysis before before trading stocks, okay. I started this portfolio back in January, okay, so I have investing money in the stock market for around 10 months, okay. I purchased my first shares that was something like, January 10th, January 13th or something like that. And as of now, the return that is coming out of this portfolio is 90%. This is a very, very nice return, okay? $32,673 as of now, okay? October 27th of 2010, okay? You guys can see that maybe the total value of their portfolio is gonna go up and down. The United States stock market is still trading because it is 4 p.m. The session just closed, but the after hours session just got started. So this, the numbers, the figures that you guys are gonna be watching on the video are gonna be, fluctuating, going up and down. Most of the profit that I have made so far in this portfolio, I have another portfolio also on Robinhood, that, as I said before, in which I have invested something like $31,000. I have a profit on the other portfolio that I'm gonna be showing you guys, in a few minutes. I have in that other portfolio, the total value of that other portfolio is $31,500, and I have a profit over there of $5,350 or something like that. I will be showing you guys that in just a few minutes, okay? So some of the profit that you guys can see over here is an unrealized profit because it is coming out of my 2 long-term investments, which are Tesla and NIO, okay? I am very bullish when it comes to the electric vehicles industry, and I already built up long-term positions, on these 2 companies, and I am not, selling any of my shares in at least 10 or 15 years. But here, out of this profit, I also have a lot of money, okay, that is coming out of the day trades and the swing trades that I am taking on a constant basis, okay. So let me show you guys my long-term positions. Let me pull up the Tesla chart here real quick so you guys can see my position in Tesla. In this portfolio, I own 110 shares with an average cost of $263. This is a very nice average cost, okay? The return as of now, okay, is 61%, okay? I started this position investing $28,955, okay? And the total market value of this investment as of now, October 27th, is $46,662, okay? I have a total return here of 17,706 bucks. I must highlight over here that this is an unrealized profit. Okay, this profit can go up and down, guys, because I am not, selling any of my Tesla shares in at least 10 or 15 years. Okay, I believe that electrification is the future of the auto industry, and I did my research work. Okay, and I have enough reasons to believe that Tesla is going to be a $2 trillion market cap company in a matter of 4 or 5 years. And these 424 bucks that you guys are seeing over here are gonna turn into 2,500 bucks, $3,000. Okay, that's what I am, estimating when it comes to Tesla, right? So this is a long-term investment for me. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys my NIO position real quick. Okay, here it is. I started to purchase I started to build up, okay, my NIO long-term position back in July. This is a stock that I was day trading and swing trading on a constant basis. Let me pull up my NIO history here real quick. Okay, as you guys can see, a lot of transactions here, right? A lot of trades I have taken on NIO. So take a look. I was buying, selling, buying, selling, buying, selling NIO on a constant basis, and on July 6th I started to build up my long-term position on NIO. What happened that I all of a sudden started to build up a long-term position? Well, in early July, NIO reported its June 2020 deliveries, and that was amazing, guys. It was a turning point for me. NIO delivered 3,740 vehicles in June of this year alone. So I was like, because this is a company that I was, as I said before, day trading and swing trading, and I was like, hey, Alvaro, you're not seeing the big picture here, the bigger picture here, Tesla won't be able to sell all of the electric vehicles that China needs, okay? And China has a very serious problem with pollution. So I was like, the Chinese government will probably keep on pushing forward the transition from internal combustion vehicles into electric vehicles. And if I believe, sorry, let me rephrase that. And since this company is executing so well, because they just sold 3,740 vehicles in only 1 month, I believe that this is gonna be the second EV player in the Chinese market after Tesla. So I was like, I'm gonna stop day trading this company and swing trading NIO. I'm gonna start building up a long-term position. Now take a look, guys. It has been a rocket ride. I started to purchase 50 shares here, 50 shares there, and so on, right? Okay. I have also made good money with options with NIO. Okay, purchasing call options and put options. Sorry, purchasing call options and selling put options. Okay, when you sell a put option, that's a bullish trade. Okay, and as you guys saw, this position has been very successful for me. Okay, I own 500 shares with an average cost of $13.68. I have a 108% so far. Okay, the unrealized profit is 7,400 bucks. Okay, and my initial investment went from $6,841 to $14,265, and I believe very strongly that this is gonna be a $300 company 2 or 3 years out. And mind you, guys, I am not a financial advisor. Okay, do not buy stocks based on my opinion. If you guys want to invest money in the stock market, you have to do your own due diligence and you have to do your own research work. Okay, so one of the let me pull up here, guys, my my main chart. One of the issues that I want to emphasize the most when it comes to this channel is trading and investment psychology. Why, guys? Because if anyone asks me what has been the key for my, let's say humble success so far in 10 months investing money in the stock market, I would say my psychology. my ability, to tolerate pain. Okay, because investing money in the stock market and trading the stocks can be very painful at times. But if you have the right psychology and you know how to deal with it, you are going to be very successful. Take a look at this, guys. As I said before, I opened this portfolio back in January of this year. And a month after I have started to invest money in the stock market, we went through the fastest market crash ever, guys. Ever, okay? From that market crash took place from February 19th until March 23rd, okay? And this was a horrible experience, guys. A horrible experience. So now I am gonna pull up here real quick Webull. As I said before, guys, I all of the time use Thinkorswim in order to do my technical analysis. But since Thinkorswim, guys, is a platform that you guys are gonna have to sign up for, before having access to it, I rather using Webull to show you guys some technical charts, okay? Because Robinhood is a very basic platform when it comes to technical analysis, okay? So if you guys want to have access to Webull, which is a very nice platform, arguably it's not as professional as Thinkorswim, which in my opinion is the best platform out there when it comes to technical analysis. But this is a very nice platform, and you guys do not have to sign up for Webull. You just need to look it up on the internet, click on Webull, and you guys are going to have access to pretty much the chart that you are looking at over here. So take a look. This was the market crash, okay, back in February, okay? Tesla stock went from $922 down to $350 on March 18th, I guess. Yeah, Tesla bottomed out a bit before the market did as a whole. The United States stock market bottomed out back on March 23rd, and Tesla bottomed out a bit before on March 18th. But I had started to purchase Tesla shares in early February, and take a look, guys. I was, adding shares to my position over here, and all of a sudden, guys, on February 19th, the market crash kicked off. So I was seeing my money getting decimated day by day, okay? I remember that by the time the market crash started, I owned 10 Tesla shares, purchased at an average price of $900. So check this out, guys. Tesla stock, dropped 62%. That implies that in a matter of 1 month, the money that I was investing in Tesla decreased 60% in value. This was a horrible, horrible situation, guys. You have no idea. Seeing your money getting decimated day by day. But since I had done my research work, since I was very confident in Tesla, okay, and I knew that Tesla was gonna make it out of the woods, and I knew that the stock market, was gonna make it out of the woods as well, I didn't panic. I didn't take a loss. So I waited until Tesla bottomed out at around $350, and then like 20 or 30 days after that, I started to average down, and I, keep on buying more shares, okay? And I, kept on building up my long-term position on Tesla. And check this out, guys. I'm gonna pull up a chart here of the SPY, which is the proxy for the S&P 500, okay? The S&P 500 is the major index that we have here in the United States, okay? So I'm gonna show you this. This is critical, guys. You guys need to know this, okay? Before you think about investing money in the stock market. Let me show you this, okay? This is the behavior of the S&P 500, during the last, I think, like 24 years, from 1996 to this day. So take a look. As you guys can see, the stock market has done nothing but going up, guys. Nothing but going ups. Nothing but going up, sorry, okay? We have had, obviously, ups and downs. Yes, we have had ups and downs. But please think about this, guys. What happened to a person or to an investor that purchased Microsoft shares back in, say, 1997, or Apple shares, okay? And held those shares to this day? What happened? You know, they went through a lot of pain, or through some pain during these years, but at the long term, they have made a killing, guys. They have made a lot of money because they held their shares. They didn't panic during the, you know, tough years that the market had, okay? So this is, and if you guys, you know, go back in time, like 80 or 100 years, behind you guys are gonna notice that the stock market as a whole has a historical uptrend. It has a historical uptrend. So if you do your research work, if you are absolutely aware that the companies that you are investing your money in have the financial strength, okay, to put up with the volatility of the market and the ups and downs of the market, you don't have to freak out. So let me show you this, guys, because I like to show that I practice what I preach. So as of now, I have only showed you guys my winning positions. But what about my losing positions? Okay, take a look at this. This is Win Research. I purchased my Win Research shares back in February 18th, if I am not mistaken. Let me pull up the history of Win Research. Take a look at this. You know, what about luck, right, guys? Take a look. I purchased 30 shares of Win Research at $131, guys, one day before the stock market crash started. And as of now, I have an unrealized loss because I am not selling any of my shares. Okay, I believe a lot in this company. I think that Win Research is a company that once a vaccine is rolled out, is gonna make it out of the woods. Okay, once the world gets back to normal, this company, okay, is gonna make a lot of revenue again. Okay, this is a hotel chain company that has resorts in Vegas and China. And as I said before, once a vaccine is rolled out, this company is gonna be a profitable company again. And I remember very clearly that I purchased my Win Research shares because I was interested in the dividend payment of Win Research. And guess what, guys? You know, because of the market crash, Win Research eliminated the the dividend payment, and I was only paid the dividend once, $30 on March 6th. But I'm not gonna take a loss here because I did my research work. I am very bullish on Win Research, and I know that this company will eventually, get back to profitability. It's gonna be a profitable company again, and I will not only make a good money out of this investment, but on top of that, who knows, maybe Win Research could restore the dividend payment eventually later on down the road, okay? So I want to talk to you guys about two very successful investors in the stock market, okay? We have Mr. Warren Buffett and Mr. Peter Lynch. These are, both of them said, phrases that have helped me a lot to put up with the volatility of the market. Mr. Warren Buffett said, "The stock market is a device that transfers money from the impatient to the patient." And Mr. Peter Lynch said once that the most important organ that you need in order to be successful at investing money in the stock market is not your brain, it is your stomach, because stocks go up and down all of the time, So if you have the stomach to put up with the volatility and the ups and downs of the market, you're gonna be a winner, at a long term. Because as I said before, it is proven, guys, the stock market has a historical uptrend. That's the way it works, okay? So you just need to do your research work, make sure that you are investing your money in good companies, and that's it, okay? The market as a whole is gonna do the rest of the work, all right? And I'm gonna pause the video here just a bit. I'm gonna show you guys my other portfolio, that I own with Robinhood, and yeah, I'll do it right away. Profit. I mean, part of the unrealized profit, because I also use this portfolio, to swing trade and day trade, is $5,335. Okay, that's a 20% return in a matter of, like 4 months, give or take. So I own here 20 Tesla shares and 202 NIO shares. Okay, let me show you guys real quick. I own 20 shares at an average cost of $311. Okay, I have an unrealized profit on Tesla in this portfolio of $2,260. Okay, a 36% return, a very good return over here, right? And I started investing $6,225, and the total market value of this investment as of now is $8,486. Okay, that's a very nice return. Okay, can't complain about it. And in the case of NIO, let me put it up here. I have 202 shares with an average cost of $13.54, a 110% return, which is a very nice return as well, and $3,000, of an unrealized profit so far, because as I already told you guys, I am not selling any of my shares in at least 10 or 15 years. So, if you guys, add up, the figures that you just saw, I have $31,000 in this portfolio, and I have, like $69,000 in the other portfolio, give or take. So I am investing, as of now, I am investing in the stock market $100,000 with a total return of $37,000 in just a matter of, 10 months. So what other investment was gonna pay me, $37,000 in just a matter of 10 months, guys? I mean, real estate, arguably, but you need a lot of money to start a real estate business, So the message that I wanna deliver here, guys, is that this is doable. Okay, this is doable. Anyone can be successful at investing money in the stock market. Okay. And from now on, I am going to be posting, a lot of content about how to swing trade, how to day trade, how to evaluate, how to do your research work when it comes to stocks that you want to purchase, at a long term, how to trade options, which is a very, complex investment instrument, please do not mess with options, guys, before doing your research work. You can lose a lot of money. It is a very nice, tool to, make your portfolio grow a lot in a short period of time. But you can also lose a lot of money if you are not totally aware of what you're dealing with. And well, if you know anyone that wants to invest money in the stock market, but doesn't speak English, you can tell them that in this channel I'm going to be posting pretty much the same content in both languages, English and Spanish. That's why the name of the channel is the Bilingual Stock Market Channel. And well, that is going to be this for this video, guys. I really appreciate your attention. Please hit the like button, that helps the channel. Please consider subscribing to it as well. Well, I will see you next time. Peace.